Okay.
Are y'all ready? Okay. Are you ready? Get set. Go. And they're off to the races. Wow. Vahima takes the lead. I think. Oh, wow. With a quick over, spinny maneuver. It's neck and neck. I don't think you can cheat with Rubik's Cube. I tried it earlier, it was hard. There is steam coming back here. Wow, this is impressive. Who's it gonna be? This is a first.
My winning streak, are you kidding me? In front of my parents, really? You gonna do this to me? In front of my parents? You gonna beat me in front of my parents? Damn. I was on the last thing. Damn. Damn, I kind of want to quit now. What if I just... This is, I don't even know what to like say anymore. I'm like, this is an actual, but I guess I have to sign your cube. I've been signing my cube. This is crazy. Okay. I was so close. Whatever. Damn, that was horrible. That was horrible. That was horrible. Okay, everybody say good. Yes, of course. Everybody say good job, Mahima. Damn. I don't know if I can look my parents in the eyes after this. I don't even know what to do. I gotta practice. That's what I gotta do. Oh my god. I will lock in. I gotta lock in for the rest of this night now. Okay. Thank you. The next song is a very, very special cover. Some of you may know, but I have been practicing Spanish and un poquito, like I'm not very good, but like I want to get there, like I want to be fluent, you know what I mean? And you know, something that helps with that is singing Spanish songs and listening to Spanish songs. And so I was, hanging out with my Mexican family who, treat me like family, and they hang out with me when I'm in the Bay and take care of me. And they are here tonight. Hola, te amo. Woo, hello. And I was eating dinner with them, and I was like, guys, like, what cover should I do for the San Francisco show? And they were like, what if you did Christian Nodal? And I was like, I love Christian Nodal. And then they were like, what if you did Adios Amor? And I was like, okay, bet. Like, what if I did? So I will be singing Adios Amor by Christian Nodal for you guys. If you know it, please sing along with me.